Hey everybody, today we are going to be making some super cute little gummy bear jewelry. So I'm gonna start off by opening this jump ring. Sorry if this voiceover ends up being a little bit weird, but I was watching TV while making all of this stuff, so I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. I struggled quite a bit opening the jump rings, and the pliers that I was using there, the pink ones, those really don't work very well, so should have used different ones of those, but you know, it's okay, we got it anyways. And then I just put it on the string thingy, and then I close it up, and then it was good to go, I think. Oh, never mind. The gummy bear fell off the jump ring, so yeah. But, you know, there's quite a bit of random jump cuts throughout this video because whenever I was trying to open or close the jump rings, I had to, like, pull it behind the camera so I could see it better, because I kind of had to look under the camera the whole time I was doing this, you know, because it's hard to do stuff while looking through the viewfinder. So just opening another jump ring, put it on the gummy bear, put the earring hook on there, and then closed that up. And I struggled with all the jump rings, but hey, it looks pretty cute, so it was worth it. And now we're gonna do the same exact thing. Just trying to struggle opening that jump ring, because what else would we be doing? And then let's put on that. Oh no, we dropped it. Yeah, I struggled with the jump rings a lot. And then we put on that earring hook thingy, and then boom, we're getting it closed up. And oh, I dropped it. Oh no. And there is the little gummy bear guy. He is looking pretty cute. There's the other one that I made, so I've got two of those now. Super awesome. Oh, and yeah, I guess that's all I had filmed. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.